Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I wanted to do this fall pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup look. I love oranges in the fall, so I thought why not do a completely monochromatic orange look. I did feature this palette in my favorite fall palette, so I thought it'd be fun to use it here today, and it is the Melt Makeup Cosmetics. Is it Melt? No, just Melt Fuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I thought it'd be really fun, since it is the first day of fall and all, to do a fun fall inspired glam makeup tutorial, kind of pumpkin spice inspired. I love oranges in the fall. It is my favorite color to wear in the fall. So I thought, why not do this look? I've been wearing this look a lot the past week or two. I just like it. It's super easy. I think anybody can achieve it. You don't even need the palette that I'm going to use. If you have similar colors, you can use those colors. But I recently posted a favorite fall palette, which I will link up in the cards above if you want to check that out. But in that video, I did talk about the Melt Cosmetics Gemini Palette. I love this palette for fall. I mean, every single color in this palette is just fall. I mean, this palette screams fall to me. This palette is still available if you'd like to pick it up. I will leave a link down below where you can. And then, of course, the lips. Ooh, I'm throwing things now, and now I wonder why I break stuff. The lips are my favorite fall lip color I wear every fall, and that is the Kylie Cosmetics color in Pumpkin. It's just perfect for this look. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.